Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. Today I'm coming to you from US Auto in Sterling Heights. Love this yard. They run a hilarious social media account. The main aisle's paved. It's always clean here. Their social media is hilarious. They're always roasting people who are stealing stupid shit. They always have a really nice selection of parts. Like all the Metro Detroit yards have a nice selection of parts. Today I'm on a bit of a mission, and I think my mission might already be over because I think I'm looking for this truck right here. But yeah, anytime I have the opportunity to come over here, I love to do so. Yeah, this is what I wanted to see, how much this had been messed with. All this stuff right here is an upgrade for my first gen, and I need that bracket. That turbo is an upgrade. It's even it's a 7-blade whole set. That's what I want. I don't have this thing and I need it. I'm pretty sure those are all the same. I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure this bracket will fit mine. It doesn't have the heater lines. I'm pretty sure this bracket will fit mine, and I think the problem is that the outlet up here is different from a first gen. It doesn't really matter to me with a Ford. So yeah, I think I might like to come back here and get this stuff. That turbo's an upgrade for sure. I don't know what they charge. Their prices are like fair, high fare. Fair high. They're not great. It's not like a screaming deal. But when they have stuff that nobody else has, like there's not very many Cummins that hit the yard. So, yeah. I'm excited to see this here. I'm actually going to put you guys on pause while I sit here and contemplate my next move. And then we'll go take a real quick walk. Need this too. Just need all of this. And we'll go take a real quick walk, and then I have to get back to work. So I'll bring you guys right back. Alright, so let's go take a walk and show you guys some of the other reasons I love this yard. This is the yard where I bought the engine that was already pulled and like laying, a 5.3, and then I sold that to a guy. One of my subscribers bought it, and then he like dropped out of the group, and I never heard from him again. And I suspect whenever that happens, it's because he took it all apart to make it better, and didn't make it better, and ran out of money, and like literally lived out the "don't do this" thing. But yeah, like I said, they have a real nice selection of parts here. Always plenty of LS stuff. I think that is a Tacoma, which might have some things I'm interested in. They have a big truck section, which I love. That's where I'm heading to right now. And then this yard, unlike most, actually sells cars. And they are not bargains. They're priced at what they're worth, or a little high. But when people see something out in the yard and they're like, save it, save the Sebring, oh, how could you do that? Like, well, this yard gives you the opportunity to do that. And then it sits there for weeks. Nobody saves it. It winds up out here anyway. But at least they tried. So, let's see if I can get through here. What is this? An Alliance? It's a Renault. Irony. Peugeot owns Chrysler now. Haha. They always have F450s out here. Sprinter vans. I don't know what that was. Somebody needed it. MPRs. MPRs are... Oh, that's like a... Shit, what do they call that? That's the 4-cylinder diesel. Interesting. Interesting that somebody came out here and took the head off of it. Or maybe it came in like that. I don't know. There's a 6-cylinder diesel they put in those too that's kind of Cummins-like-ish. Not quite as good. Or sought after. Look at that raggedy ass Lightning. I mean, most Lightnings are fucking raggedy. But that one's more raggedy than most. What were those things, like 390 horsepower? They were from a 5.42 valve and a blower. They were impressive back in the day. It would be worth something for the blower. That's a new Thunderbird. Such a disappointing thing. It's a 2000. That means it's a 3/4 ton with a big block. Look at that, boys. 454. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Love Land Cruisers. That is an LJ. That could be my old LJ, which is the original Unlimited before they got all 4-door and like modified. Was just longer. It was just a 2-door longer, so it's longer in the back and it's longer behind the seats, 13 inches longer overall. Like a normal Wrangler at that time, the back of the back seat sat right up against the tailgate. With those, you can actually like put groceries in them, but longer wheelbase makes it a lot more stable when it climbs. Of course, it can't quite get around through the woods as good, but I love that somebody cut the frame on this just to get the 243 heads as motivation. Again, there's literally no reason to use 243s over any other head that you already have. But you won't listen, will you? No. Gotta have the best. You're the best. Hooray! Well, I'm gonna get the F out of here, grab my goodies and go. See, tomorrow is supposed to be a blizzard, so coming back on Saturday is a little problematic, but we'll see. I'd like to at least get the turbo. I have to look and see what they charge for the turbo. Let me take a look real quick, and I'll let you guys know. These are all Hemi trucks. Not one single 2500 ever. Let me look it up real quick. Alright, so looks like they want... Ouch, crispy. That's like a newer Durango too. Anyway, looks like they want $75 for the turbo. That almost kind of seems worth it to come over here and rip this thing apart this weekend. Yeah, I have to think about it. It's got a lot of stuff on it I need. I have to see how the blizzard goes. A lot of times they forecast this crap and it doesn't happen. So I'm gonna get out of here. You guys will see this Saturday and you'll know one way or the other if I've chosen to come back, because there'll be a video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Driveway Engineer. Get out there and get some cool shit going. See ya.